In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put an image in a table in Notion. If you've ever wanted to organize your images within a Notion table and make your workspace more functional and visually appealing, you're in the right place. We will go through the process step by step, ensuring you can easily follow along. First, let's get started by heading over to Notion. Open your browser and navigate to your Notion account. Once you're logged in, you'll need to decide if you want to work within an existing page or if you'd like to create a new one. If you're creating a fresh start, simply click on the New Page option on the sidebar. Alternatively, if you're integrating this into an existing workspace, locate and select the page you wish to modify. Now that we've settled on a page, we'll need to begin by inserting a table. Place your cursor on a blank line within your Notion page. Type Table View and press Enter. This command quickly and easily creates a new table within your document, setting the stage for organizing your data and images. Next, we're going to enrich this table by adding a new column specifically for your images. To do this, click on the plus sign to add a new property and select the Files and Media option from the drop-down menu. This new column will serve as the place where all your images will be housed in an orderly fashion. With your new Files and Media column created, it's time to add your images. Click on a cell within this column where you would like to insert an image. Once clicked, a small menu will appear, allowing you to upload files directly into the cell. To proceed with adding your image, select the Upload option. This will prompt a File Explorer window on your computer where you can navigate and select the desired image file that you want to include in your table. Once you've chosen the appropriate image, click Open and watch as it is uploaded and neatly inserted into your table. With these steps completed, you've successfully added an image to a Notion table effortlessly. It's a practical way to keep your workspace organized while being visually engaging. That's it for our tutorial today. We have covered each step on how to add images to your Notion tables, and I hope you found this guide clear and beneficial. Thank you for watching, and remember to like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.